Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ajit, and welcome to SkillDouble video. As I promised, I come up with a video wherein I'm going to discuss how I was able to get this certificate. So, in this video, I will tell my experience first. So, how our discussion would go is like this, based on the agenda. I will talk about my experience and other stuffs which definitely helped me to gain the certification of PL 300 Microsoft Power BI data analyst. So my experience was like it was not that easy exam, and I had to do a lot of uh, practices in order to get the certification. Or I started studying for this particular certification in the month of November, and it started in the beginning of November. So let's assume it's like 1st November, and I gave this exam by 22nd December. So it took me at least like around 2 months to complete it. So yes, you can complete this certification in 2 months. Previously, I had around like 6 months of very basic knowledge of Power BI, and I have done small projects. I have very moderate hands-on experience of Power BI in my uh, our day-to-day office work. So and I would say I get a lot of knowledge by going through this particular certification. And when I was giving the practice exams, I was failing like anything. Even the Microsoft exam that Microsoft has in on their website, I will share that website link as well, wherein you can go ahead, go through their training materials, and then also give the practice exams. So basically, my experience was like I went through Udemy course first, like a video course. Once that video course was over, I went through Microsoft's training material, which also helped. It also have it is structured well, I would say, and I went through the entire thing. I read through all the stuffs. There are a few tips and takeaways that I want to give you. Is the roadmap should look like this. Should go through the Microsoft material first. Once that material is gone through, you need to go at least one course at least from either of the platform. Udemy is the best one, and make sure you don't go for a very big course. That was one I would say a mistake that I did. Otherwise, I could have pretty much cleared this exam in a month itself. So make sure the course that you select is not more than 10 hours. Don't go through or deep dive into much things which are actually not needed. So a 10-hour or less course for this particular exam, that is PL 300 exams preparation course, would do, and that would be the best thing that you can go for. And the practices that you do, try to do things hands-on. Like if you understood a particular concept, make sure you do that practice. So Udemy also has those practice related activities which you can do it, because if you do it hands-on, it will help you to memorize it, because there are certain questions that you will get in exam which will be like steps. You have to give the steps to achieve something. So in those scenarios, the hands-on experience that you had got while while preparing for the exam would help you a lot. So guys, and the application that I just mentioned about, do use it. It's a phone app, so even on the go when you're going to the office or when you're traveling around, you can use that particular application and try to you know try to do all the questions in it, because did it, and believe me guys, it definitely helped me a lot. And a little sneak peek about the uh, open book of the exam. Like when I found that the Microsoft have started allowing the exam givers or the exam takers to use the Microsoft Learn website during the exam. I thought, yeah, that this would be a game changer for us. Definitely go through the Microsoft Learn and go through those process documents, go through the documents in it, and try to get the answer. But it's not like that, guys. The time that we're going to get is definitely uh, be not that much, around 2 minutes for one question. It depends. It depends exam to exam. So that would be the time. So going through those documents and getting the answer for almost all the questions is impossible. So don't think that Microsoft Learn that you're going to use during the exam will help you a lot. No, it will not help you. Make sure what you need to do is when you're giving the exam that you want to go through the Microsoft Learn document, make sure you flag it. Also, make sure you read uh, through the instructions of the exam properly. Some questions after you give the answers, you cannot go back. So make sure you check those. And what my suggestion is of using Microsoft Learn would be to do it at the end, like after you give answer to all of the questions. And now, if you have flagged any questions, make sure at the end you again you go through the flag questions and try to check if the answers that you have given is right or not. So just to let you know, you can flag the questions if you had any doubt while answering the questions. So I hope you all got some value from this particular video. There'll be more videos and more. I will try to elaborate on certain topics more. If you need, just let me know on what topics do you want a video next time, and I will create a video on that. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best to you all who all are trying to give this exam and pass. Thank you so much. You all have a great day. See you soon in the next video.